coming to IIT Bombay, first glimpse, then we go back again to your GATE journey, which is again, okay Ayushi, so after that qualifying GATE, what was, when you started applying to different department, so how you choose educational technology, or what was your interest, like which other department you want to go, or what was the process of selecting department?
Yeah. So when the result came out, I was applying for different colleges for CSE, as I was from CSE background, for M.Tech also, for MS also. While I was applying for MS, CSE and IIT Bombay, I saw some other departments also. So I explored, what are these departments I never heard of, whenever there is some education. So, and my eyes are like, let's see. So I went to the LinkedIn post, I saw the open house of the educational technology, and I realized, oh my god, this is something that I always wanted, because I don't know how, I am always interested in some kind of education. I have also taught, I have given the home tuition in my B.Tech, and my parents are teachers, so I have that inherent interest in education. I went through the education technology website. I realized I'm made for this. So then I started connecting with the people who are already in the department. And also who has been passed out. I also went through the placements of the department and the PhD scholars also, the professors also. I really like the professors' profile and the culture of from the LinkedIn post. So I realized, oh, this is very interesting department. Then apart from ET, I also applied for IOR in IIT Bombay.
Can you take a full name?
IOR. I forgot, sorry. And now I know only ET, Educational Technology, nothing else.
I will put IOR full form, so it's another interdisciplinary and very booming department.
Yes.
Yeah, so yeah, you can visit, but then finally you came to education
technology. And I look back, I came for interview, I was very written well. I would like to share a story. So in the test exam day only, I become friend with one of the guy. So after test they put a list of the student who got selected on the wall. So everybody ran towards that. I thought, okay, let people see. Then I'll go and see. So my friend went, I'll check for you. So he went, he took a photo and he came to me, Mera ho gaya hai, you check for yourself. So at one glance I looked at and I didn't found my name.
It happens.
Uska chehra bhi hota hai. Like he is consoling me. Koi baat nahi. There are other IITs also. मैंने कहा, let's go once again. Then I found it. Oh damn.
There's one more step, Ayushi. Interview. Don't forget.
Still, I was so happy I am getting chance to give interview. And IIT professors will take my interview. I wanted to at least experience the interview. And that minor like 30 seconds of feeling, mera nahi hua. It was so devastating.
It happened with me also. So there was a very huge competition during my college, and interstate kind of, and I gave my presentation, I wrote my exam, and I saw my list, and I don't know what happened. I was not able to see my name. I was so nervous. And then what happened, my friend, he called me and I was, Sonika, your name is there. I'm like, मुझे क्यों नहीं दिखा? मुझे क्यों नहीं दिखा ये नाम? Then he said, let's go and prepare. You are going to give huge presentation. It happens, I can relate with you. But I remember, I want to add, because I was in that interview panel list, and you know what, whenever I see a girl coming in interview, right, because the written is also tough, it's not like, and specifically it's like education technology, which many people don't know, so they don't know before coming what is going to come in the exam, they don't have any idea. So in that, when they qualify the exam, and when I see, among 30, 50, 60 boys, there are 2 girls coming, I'm like, oh God, please do something. We want girls in our department. So when I saw you and one other girl coming for an interview, so I'm like, God, please take both girls.
Thank you so much for your praise.
Like, it was every time. It's not only for me. I don't know. I will call it feminist or not, but I really want some girl to come in the department or in IIT even.
At least there should be 50-50 ratio.
I don't know 50 or, but the thing is 60 boy and 2 girls.
Yes.
60 boys coming for only written and they are qualifying, and only at the end you will have only 2 girls to interview, and I think at the end only she only girl in M.Tech. Right?
No, there is
No, so I will talk about previous batch.
Oh,
only Deepika was there.
Yes, yes.
And this time 2 girls joined, so still better in comparison to, but
Yes.
still okay. But this is the small story. I have always pray God, please send girls in IIT. So the coming for interview, coming for written is the toughest.
Yes.
Getting selected is another part, but attempting coming is another level of competition. Even after if you have a very good gate score also. So yeah.
One thing I would
Yeah.
like to add, ki in interview you are not supposed to be very well like acquired the knowledge of the ET domain. You are supposed to be motivated and interested in working in that department. Because very first question Sahana ma'am asked me is why ET?
Okay.
So no, like who are you? She know it. She has my SOP. So she and Ram sir picking the points like you have written this AI in education. What are the ideas in your head that you will implement?
Yeah.
You are just came here. You have written your SOP from GPT, or you you actually know something about it.
Yeah.
So if you are actually interested, you have some idea, and you are willing to work in the domain, then you will get your selection done. Otherwise, it's very difficult.
So the beauty of interdisciplinary department is first to understand your core knowledge. Like they have a written exam to test your core and everything, right? But you should be motivated enough. Like if she has written AI in education, then they want vision, or they want your concept, like what you actually want to do. Because education technology is something which is going to impact the ground realities of students, right? Those who are studying in school, those who are studying in colleges, we are going to develop some AI system, or we are going to understand the analysis of learning process. So you should know about the conceptual part, or at least you should have. So in her case, she went to website, she go through website, she tries to understand what M.Tech students have done, what are their MTPs, what PhDs are doing. I think that will also help you a lot.
So the LinkedIn profiles of the M.Techs, they have shared their projects, what they are working on. I found them very interesting. I want to do something similar.
Yeah.
So it helped.
I think internships also.
Yes, internships.
They have done in Khan Academy, they have done in Kotak Education. So I think that internship also give you some glimpse about what they are doing. Okay, so Ayushi, let's now discuss about your current ET, how the things are going in ET. Can you go back and tell us about your first semester, second semester, and how the life changed after that?
Okay. So when I got some good marks in the gate, I thought I have cracked the code, how to study. I know everything. But when I entered in ET department or in IIT in general, everybody is a topper here.
Yeah.
Everybody is overachiever. Then you found yourself lost somewhere. So first year was really struggling because I had the habit of being the topper in the class, because then I was not getting that feeling, because everybody else is doing so much efforts, and that was a very big transition from Bhopal, a small college, then IIT Bombay. You have so many opportunities. There are cultures going on, there are some talks going on. The RBI governor is coming to give the talk. You want to attend everything, and you found yourself lost in everything. So the first semester was full of exploring. I have explored the campus, I have explored the courses, different talks, cultures, events, drama. But after doing everything, also the inter-IIT, now I feel,
congrats.
I feel little settled. I have explored, so I know the best for me, where I have to go, which talk to attend, which event to attend, how much I have to spend time on culturals. Everything is important. important. Everything shapes your personality.
Yeah, I think you try to learn the balance.
Yes.
Yeah, I think first sem we met, right?
Yes.
And I told you, Ayushi, there are a lot of things to do, and I suggest you to do it. But at the same time, try to make a balance.
True.
I told her that CGPA is equally important. If you want a placement, you should have some aim to get placement. But at the same time, first semester explore a lot, but try to maintain a balance also. I think that helps.
Yes.
Yeah.
True.
Yeah. So sometimes you talks about the FOMO, like missing all this thing. Yeah.
Yes.
What is that?
I used to feel a lot like I'm in the department, my other friends are enjoying some cultural event or they are going out, or I'm in the room, they are doing some fun in the department, because our department is so much fun. Whenever there are 4 people together,
Yes.
that fun is guaranteed.
Yes.
Whether it be Diwali function, we play cards, we did the crackers on the terrace.
Yes, yes.
I don't wanted to miss out anything.
Yeah.
It has impacted my acads, but again, my batchmates,
Hmm.
my TAs, everyone in the department is so supportive. They brought me together.
Yeah.
So, my first semester, like without my batch, it would have been so difficult. We have worked for each other together, the team spirit. After coming to ET, maybe I realized the importance of a teamwork.
Collaboration.
Collaboration. Yes. The theoretical concept of collaboration, of learning, constructing together. We actually did that. And it feels so awesome.
Yeah. So one thing is, whenever first semester is difficult for every student, navigating first semester is difficult, and I must tell you, there is no other, when you come, it's very difficult to make friends also. The first person you interact is your department people. So if you make a good friendship in the department only, because sometimes it's in the department, sometimes you meet in council, through other ways also, you participate in some dramatics club or some other clubs, there also you make friends. But the department's friendship is
very important.
Very important. It will help you to sail through your coursework, your emotional, ups, downs, so I think, friendship is the core which play important role. Then after comes your faculty, facads come, then your warden, your hall manager or dean, everything comes later. I must tell you. So after coming here, try to make a great friendship with your friend. You compete with them, have a competition spirit also. But at the same time, they are the people who will be at your low. They are the people who you learn a lot. They are the people who brushes your skills also, right? Ayushi?
Yeah.
So don't ignore friendship, Sometimes we feel, okay, we are here for 2 years, we are here to attain our dreams. But with the dreams also, I feel friendship is the core which,
And IIT's friendship is little different.
Yeah.
Maybe here I haven't found any of my friend who is not willing to help me for my progress.
Yeah.
Everybody seniors are so what is going on your MTP? So I will tell, he or she will help me so much.
Yeah.
So I don't have to go to professor. My seniors will sort everything.
Yeah. Even when you say about your IIT friendship or IIT mentorship is very different.
Yes.
I believe people are trained. I will not train, but people are here so helpful.
True.
So they are very dream oriented, I feel, and if they even know something now, they will share with you a lot. Because they know getting success is not easy. It's always like helping each other.
Yes.
Right? So even if I want to connect something, if I'm stuck somewhere, if I put one message in my alumni group, they are there to help me.
Yes.
So that is the power of friendship, or should I call it alumni network. Wherever you are stuck, you are technically stuck, or in your life you are struggling with something, this alumni networks, it's magic, right? I think that is very well pointed out by Ayushi, that friendship hits very difficult when they are in your struggle journey also, and even if you want to start something, they are there to help you, they are there to guide you, right?
Yeah, true.
Yeah. So you talk about your journey in ET also. So Ayushi, so ours is very interdisciplinary department, although it was established in year 2010. and initially we had only PhD student till 2019. Then we started master M.Tech in 2019, and since then we have an average of 15 to 20 students in ET. So do you like to talk about the placements and all? When you were joining, people told you there will be no placement, or there is a fear of joining this department. Can you share?
Yes, I heard a lot of things about like interdisciplinary department से placement लेना is little difficult because but I wanted to take ET, so I took ET, so I will make my way. And after coming here, I realized it solely depends on individuals' efforts. The opportunities are same for all the departments.
Okay.
You get a chance to sit in the central placement. Those are open for all the students of IIT-B. So if you are putting an ample amount of efforts, you will get placed in a very good position.
Okay. So what is the eligibility criteria? Suppose anyone wants to join our department.
Yes.
So what should be the B.Tech? Whether they should be from computer science or which other?
No, as it is interdisciplinary, you can be from any department. You can be like, you just have to be qualified a gate
Okay.
in your specific domain.
Okay.
Whether it be civil, mechanical or CSE, but you have to make it very clear how you will help or contribute from your domain knowledge to ET.
Okay.
Like from CSE perspective, I
Yeah.
can bring my knowledge, I can contribute in the education domain.
Yeah.
From the civil perspective, do you have anything in your mind that you can help in the education system?
Yeah.
So yes, that thing should be clear.
Yeah. So I think that is the important point. So in our department, I think we have people from CSE. Most of them are CSE.
Some from EC, architecture,
Okay.
design,
Okay.
planning.
Okay.
Yes.
And in the previous batch, I remember some of them are also from textile
And mechanical
also. So we have a very diverse M.Tech students. And Ayushi, can you tell me more about the placements?
Yes.
Which you have seen till now, which you have inquired, and
Yes. I got a chance to see the placement session live in this December also. People, it's not like you will get placed in the very first day. You have to keep the patience and be calm and trust yourself that you have worked whole years on your projects, on your TSA, on your aptitude, you will get placed. So patience play a lot of role in those 15 days of placement phase.
Okay.
So it always better to be prepared priorly. Don't wait for the last chance because your thoughts will get very disturbing at the last moment. People get placed very nicely if they are being patient and dedicated.
Okay.
Though because there are ample amount of student in IIT, everybody has to get placed. So some get placed on day 1, some day 2 or some even day 15.
Okay.
So you have to trust yourself.
Okay. So that is the for the placement preparation guide, a small preparation. Maybe next year you will go through it. But this is what she heard, what she realized. But she will be more eligible to give another Gyan in next year. But I should tell me more about alumni from ET, those M.Tech alumni, where they are placed, what are their approximately package, and is it a myth that if you are from ET you will not be able to opt for placement, or you will not get opportunity for placement, something, all this kind of myth?
No, that myth I will burst today. You get a chance to sit in the central placement also, and you get chance to get placed directly from your professor connections also, from some foundation or education NGOs. And if you want to pursue your PhD, you want to continue your academia, then you can go abroad or you can continue in the department also. So I feel from being from the ET, you get more opportunities.
Yeah. Okay.
So your things get more diverse. But you have to be sincere about where you have to go for before a year. So you can work on that particular direction. And my M.Tech alums, they all are placed at good places. Some related to like Next Wave, and some are in the Tech education, and the average package would be around 15 to 20 lakh.
Okay. For a starting your
Yes.
journey, and everybody
I-
knows it will
Yes.
grow. The more experience you will gain, the more you go.
And not only the educational foundations, they are placed in consultancy services, data roles like Stripe or IDQ AI are my immediate seniors are placed in that.
Yeah, so I have also seen like every year one M.Tech batch goes, and I'm feeling a bit older now.
More experienced.
Oh yeah, much better word. But really, I would also like to graduate soon. Yeah. So the thing is, what I observe now after coming in places like interdisciplinary, so you are not. The thing which is generally happening in the society, like if you have in CS, then you should go in core department, you should go for software development, you should go for some AI engineering. So you are not driven by the society, you know. You start asking yourself what is your purpose of life. So before coming to ET only, I have seen Ayushi's role. Like she put something on LinkedIn that she is more interested in ET. Even if she gets IOR or other department, she will not go. So there is more people in this department who are driven by some purpose.
Yes.
Some are also there who don't have good gate rank, but after coming here, their life changes. Their life goals changes. They are more passion driven. I want to do something in education. I want to teach someone. I want to, so they are motivated by the passion. By the end of the placement, they see placement like a way. Like if I go there, will my passion will be fulfilled or I will be happy or not. So I have seen many people. One person from M.Tech batch, he joined AI engineer. He was very happy in Bangalore. When he got opportunity, he was very happy that changing the branch and everything. He was from textile and then he came to AI engineer. So he changed his field. But after working for 1 year in Bangalore, this hustling culture, he realized that my passion is again education. So now he's a consultant in Haryana government and going back to education. Now he's very happy. So I feel the person who come to this interdisciplinary now, they break that the societal norms or the things which are already coming from law. They create their own path.
Yes, we always wait in a life ki I will do this, then I will do what I want to do. But this department gives you opportunity to do what you want to do right now, and also provide the resources and the advice that you need, the guidance that you need.
Yeah, so about the guidance, we are so close to our professors that we can. So there is we called a lunch with our professor. So every Friday, these M.Tech students or a new PhD student go with the HOD for a lunch, and you don't need to talk about your this academia life. Only you want to talk. You have to talk about your personal life, what you want to do. So this is the small culture where you try to understand yourself more than what is in the syllabus, because eventually everyone covers the syllabus, but nobody is there to tell you what's going inside you, what you actually want to do. So this is one of the peculiar thing our department do.
That transparency between the professor and the student.
Yeah.
Professors knows what the student are thinking and what they can do. They will go to GPT for the answer. They know everything. From that thing, one student recalls during my interview, I was not aware about this transparency, so I prepared my answer from GPT and I was telling I will do this. Now I realize, मैम knew that ये लड़की क्या बोल रही है, हमें लपेट रही है. Every time I sit in the class, मैंने कहा मैम क्या सोच रही होंगी. They know everything what we can think of.
They are super experienced people. 30
Yeah.
years, 25 experience. So one thing I realized, when after coming here, I will not do anything like this. If I know this, I know this. If I don't know this, ma'am, I don't know this. But please help me to what resources should I follow. And gradually I realized this truthfulness towards your professor, even if I'm not getting good score or something, I will go, ma'am, what's happening?
Yes.
So this truthfulness help you. She will provide me more. So this also helps me in my APS annual performance. many my RPCs have more comments than my own supervisor. So I mean, this is the transparency and truthfulness you follow always. So IT professors are like that. If you really want to learn, just be truthful. Go and tell that I am not understanding this. I am just give a mail. If even if you are sick or you are not feeling good, just put a mail and just say. They should be aware. They have a lot of ways to help you. They are there to help you. I think, right? I felt it. I think you also.
In the first semester also, I used to feel like, I don't know this, I don't know that, I don't know, like so many things. I used to get so stressed because of that.
Yeah.
But by the end of the semester, I realized not only me, my fellow mates also don't know any, like something, like even the senior don't know many things, and they openly ask. So I'm like, oh, I can ask.
Yes.
And I don't have to feel low about that.
Yeah.
So this time I'm much more confident, and I don't know anything, so I just ask. I don't feel that, oh, I don't know anything, I have to go back and then study.
Yes.
I don't feel dumb.
Yeah. Question asking is never a dumb. I don't know how it started. If you ask question, you are dumb. The strongest scientist or strongest mind always ask questions.
Yes.
But in our classes, I think we are never encouraged to ask questions. This is, during our school, that is, I will not recommend to any teachers to do. Tell as many questions as student ask, which is very good in our department, right? Okay, Ayushi, then we covered. So, do you want to say something more about how your overall personality changed, and after coming here, what's your future goal? How do you see yourself in next 2 years or 1 year, or anything you want to share at last?
Okay, so the personality shift definitely happened a lot. I used to be very narrowly, but my domain has increased. I can think about much more diverse space, and also I used to focus on myself only. I have to do this, what I am doing, what someone else is telling to me. But now I live a more exclusive life. Like, I have to help others also. Others are helping me also. There is a collective growth in the batch. So that helps a lot. My perspective has changed. I have become more grounded.
Okay.
And so this thing about my personality, and if I talk about my future, so I'm still in my second semester, in the middle of the second semester. I have seen the placement, I have interviewed the alums, so I know what is the peak there I can go. For now, like there is no limit to the sky. So I will take 1 year to decide. I am also preparing for placement. I am working hard on the ET specific projects.
Okay.
Then I will choose where I have to go.
Yeah, it's a really sweet answer, because sometimes through journey we understand ourselves more.
Yes, definitely. We have to understand the importance of journey. Earlier in the semester, I used to be so stressed. Kya hoga mera? I'm not getting this. I'm not getting that. But at the end of the semester, I was so satisfied. I learned a lot of things from my peers, from my seniors, and I was very worried about my SPI also, but I got a decent 8.5 SPI. That is, I'm very satisfied with that. So you have to trust.
That is good enough for placement.
Yes. You have to trust the process.
Yes. But at last, it was. I want to say, so there will be many girls who will be, watch this video, and specifically from MP, Madhya Pradesh, and from Bhopal. Do you have any message for them? And so if they have some dream, then what would you like to tell them? And how in future you want to support them, or anything you want to share specifically to that girls?
Yes, okay, definitely. So I will assume myself the other side of the camera. So you might not have the clarity where you will go. You cannot see your future version, but trust yourself. Keep working. Don't talk a lot. Just make sure you're doing the action.
Okay.
So be consistent and be honest to yourself. You have said something that you will do, you just do it. and trust me, you will land at a good place where you would not even have imagined. You will get into the place where you deserve to be.
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah, so through this video, we are trying to build a small network where you can take mentorship, you can take any sort of advice if you are stuck in your life. So Ayushi and me, you can search Ayushi on LinkedIn like Ayushi Purohit, and you can search me on LinkedIn or through Instagram like Sonika Pal. And we are just one message away from taking some small session or your mentorship. So yeah, we are just here to prepare small networks so that we can help you, any girl, to help if whenever they are stuck academically or any part of their life. Yeah, so I hope you enjoyed a lot. So Ayushi, how's it feeling?
It was really nice. I always wanted to do something like this.
Yeah.
I really hope this will help a lot of girls and also boys if they are listening.
They must be.
Do
They
listen,
must.
like advices are for
Yeah.
all,
Yeah.
but we really appreciate if girls reach out to us,
Yes.
and we are very open to help you.
Yeah.
I always wanted to do something like this. Thank you so much for to you for please continue this series.
Yeah, I will. Yeah, so at last I would like to tell thank you for watching us. And we have not prepared any script. It was very natural,
Very
yeah. If you want to give us some advice, we are always open for feedback or anything you want to suggest. Even if you want to join us or you want to share your experience, so you can share. You can write a mail or directly reach out. Yeah, thank you so much for watching this podcast with Ayushi. Thank you so much. See you in the next podcast.
Bye bye.
Bye.